Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to create Gmail account without phone number. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up your Google account, tap on your profile, and then select the drop-down menu. Now from there, select the Add Another Account option. Now select the Create Account under the email box. And from here, you can select for myself or to manage my business. Now enter your first name and your surname for the account. And once you're done, tap the Next button. After that, enter your basic information such as your date of birth and your gender. And then select the Next option. Now you can either pick a Gmail address from the given option or you can choose or create your own Gmail address. And once you do, tap on the Next button. Now create a strong password for your account and then tap the Next button. Now to create a Gmail account without any phone number, you can skip this part. Go ahead and agree all the terms and conditions, and with this, your Gmail account without any phone number would be created. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.